Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be going over how to use a USB flash drive on your MacBook computer. Before I begin, hit that like button, give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you are new to the channel, let me go over what this channel is all about. I do computer tutorials, guides, how-tos, anything related to technology, if it's computers, tablets, phones, all that good stuff. So if you think of anything that you want to learn about, drop it in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to make a video about it. So today, like I said, we'll be going over how to use a flash drive on a MacBook computer. Now, if you use a Windows machine, you may be accustomed to using a flash drive on that. If not, I can link that in one of the cards up top here. But using a flash drive on a Mac is pretty simple. It's pretty similar like you would on a Windows machine. So if you have a Mac that has a USB port, then you are good to go. This just plugs into your USB port on the side. If you have a Mac that doesn't have a USB port, let's just say maybe it has just one port, a USB-C type port. I'll link in the description below on what you need. You'll probably need a dongle or an adapter that has a USB port on it. So I'll link that in the description. And yeah, so with that being said, let me just jump right into it. You're going to take your flash drive or external hard drive, whichever one you have, and you're going to plug it into your computer. All right. So once you plug it in on your desktop, once you're logged in, you're signed in, you will see Untitled, or you'll see maybe the name of the flash drive or external hard drive at the bottom right hand corner. Mine's right here as soon as I plugged it in. So if I click on it, double click on it, it's empty. I don't have anything in there right now. But once you open it, you can drag whatever you want to your flash drive. So I have a couple of things on my desktop here, and you may have a couple of things stored somewhere else in your Mac. If it's document folder or downloads folder, wherever you have things stored, you can move things to your flash drive. So I have my flash drive open here. So just to recap, double click on the Untitled or whatever your flash drive's name is. Double click on that. Then here you want to take your mouse and drag these documents into your flash drive. So wherever you have your documents stored. So I'll just hold and drag. I'll have enough space, but for that one. But I'll do this one. Hold and drag. Hold and drag. So yeah, so that's pretty much how you open a flash drive on your MacBook, depending on where you have your file saved. If it would be your desktop or your documents folder, you just hold and drag these files to your flash drive. There's also another way to save your files to your flash drive without opening it. Once you have your flash drive plugged in and you see it at the bottom right hand corner, you can also hold your documents that you want to transfer, hold them in and drag them to your Untitled flash drive or whatever it's called. And then for me, I have the same files in there. I'm just going to hit replace. You probably won't have this problem, but I'll just hit replace. And yeah, so just move what you want. And then I'm going to hit replace because I have the same files in there. But yeah, that was just another way. Instead of opening up your flash drive, you can just drag and drop. So once you're done, you're going to right click on your flash drive and click on eject. Make sure you eject your flash drives. I don't know if you guys know that if you just unplug your flash drive, it may get corrupted if you don't do it the proper way. So just right click it, just for precaution, right click it and click on eject, whatever your flash drive's name is. Just hit eject. It'll go away, and then now you're able to unplug your flash drive. So that was just a quick video on how to use your flash drive on a Mac. Like I said, if your MacBook doesn't have a USB port on it, you can get one of these. This one is a dongle which has a couple connections on it. It has VGA, HDMI, a USB port, and an Ethernet port, as well as a Type-C dongle. I may not find this one, but I will post one very similar that you could get if your MacBook doesn't have a USB port on it. If it does, then all you could do is just plug your flash drive in and you're ready to rock. So hopefully that helped, guys. If it did, give this video a like, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.